Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable broadcast and spaces on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app into device, then tap on your profile icon, next tap on settings and privacy, then tap on notifications, then tap on preferences. After that, tap on push notification. Then scroll until you find broadcast and spaces, then untick it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable broadcast and spaces on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.